Welcome to Biodesk. I am Dr. Nayan. Today we shall be discussing blood vessels. Blood vessels are elastic tubes present inside our body through which blood flows. There are three main types of blood vessels in our body, and they are arteries, veins, capillaries. Arteries. When we say arteries, these are thick-walled blood vessels. They carry blood away from the heart, and thus they help in distributing blood. Except pulmonary arteries, all other arteries carry oxygenated blood. Their thick muscular walls help to tolerate high blood pressure and do not collapse even after death. These have a narrow lumen with no valves. That means inner space is narrower in comparison to the veins. And in arteries, valves are absent. When we see the wall of the artery in the diagram, it has three distinct layers: outer tunica externa, middle tunica media, and the inner one, tunica interna. These are thick-walled blood vessels. The network of arteries forms the arterial system inside our body. Coming to the veins, veins are thin-walled blood vessels that carry blood towards the heart. Except pulmonary veins, all other veins carry deoxygenated blood. These have larger lumen provided with valves at regular intervals, which prevent the backflow of blood. Their thin pulsatile walls collapse after death. When we compare the thickness of the wall in veins and arteries, you may see the diagram. Here, veins have relatively thinner walls, and that's why lumen is larger. Inside the lumen or cavity of the veins, we can see the different valves. These valves maintain one-way flow of blood. The network of branched veins inside the body constitutes venous system. And now about capillaries. Capillaries are extremely thin-walled blood vessels which connect the arteries and veins by a fine network of minute tubes. Capillary walls are made up of a single layer of endothelial cells. The outer two layers found in arteries and veins are absent in capillaries, as you may see in the diagram also. Capillaries are found within tissues. The exchange of materials between blood and tissues occurs through their thin walls. Thus, arteries, veins, and capillaries are the three different types of blood vessels in our body. Remember one more thing: the arteries which arise directly from heart, they are called aortae, and you must remember in the structure of heart we have seen pulmonary aorta, systemic aorta. Aorta divides into arteries divide into arterioles, and further fine branches of arterioles inside tissues and organs called capillaries. Similarly, fine capillaries in the tissues unite and form venule. The different venules unite to form veins, and when different veins unite to form large veins, they are called caval veins or vena cava, which carry the blood up to the heart. This is all about blood vessels. I think it must be clear to you. You may see the differences between arteries and veins of an arts exam. That's all in this session. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you.